Hi, I'm Dr. McDonald from Plano, Texas. I want to invite you to join me on Thursday, February the 20th for the Exceptional Assistant with a focus on direct composite bonding. We will take a deep dive into clinical dentistry, reviewing and addressing the principles of bonding, composite resins, matrix systems, occlusion, anatomy, finishing, polishing, and refining to help you create the finest composite restorations that you can. On the non-clinical side, we're going to focus on, and I want you to leave with an expanded view of what's possible for you as a chairside dental assistant in a successful practice. What's possible for you as a leader in your team and an advocate for your patient, as well as a partner with your dentist. Dentists and assistants work knee to knee all day long together. So working on how we work together and what makes us more effective and helps us to enjoy our work is critical.